Quiz on Dynamics of Machinery Part 2. Question number 11. Which of the following statements is correct about the balancing of a mechanical system? Option 1. If it is under static balance, then there will be dynamic balance also. Option 2. If it is under dynamic balance, then there will be static balance also. Option 3. Both static as well as dynamic balance have to be achieved separately. Option 4. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is option 3. Both static as well as dynamic balance have to be achieved separately. Question number 12. The unbalanced primary couple caused due to reciprocating mass of each cylinder is given as option 1. MRL omega square cos theta. Option 2. MRL omega cos theta by n. Option 3. MRL omega square cos 2 theta. Option 4. MR omega square cos 2 theta. The correct answer is option 1. MRL omega square cos theta. Question number 13. In order to facilitate the starting of a locomotive in any position, the cranks of a locomotive with two cylinders are placed at dash to each other. Option 1 45 degrees, option 2 90 degrees, option 3 120 degrees, option 4 180 degrees. The correct answer is option 2 90 degrees. Question number 14. When there is a reduction in amplitude over every cycle of vibration, then the body is said to have option 1 free vibration, option 2 forced vibration, option 3 damped vibration, option 4 none of the mentioned. The correct answer is option 3 damped vibration. Question number 15. Longitudinal vibrations are said to occur when the particles of a body moves. Option 1 perpendicular to its axis, option 2 parallel to its axis, option 3 in a circle about its axis, option 4 none of the mentioned. The correct answer is option 2, parallel to its axis. Question number 16. The natural frequency in hertz of free longitudinal vibration is equal to option 1 1 by 2 pi under root k by m, option 2 1 by 2 pi under root g by delta, option 3 0.4985 by under root delta, option 4 all of the mentioned. The correct answer is option 4, all of the mentioned. Question number 17. The factor which affects the critical speed of a shaft is option 1 diameter of the disc, option 2 span of the shaft, option 3 eccentricity, option 4 all of the mentioned. The correct answer is option 4, all of the mentioned. Question number 18. Which of the following methods will give an incorrect relation of the frequency for free vibrations? Option 1 equilibrium method, option 2 energy method span of the shaft, option 3 Rayleigh's method, option 4 Klein's method. The correct answer is option 4, Klein's method. Question number 19. In which of the cases the factor C equal to 0? Option 1 when there is damping, option 2 no damping, option 3 resonance, option 4 C is never 0. The correct answer is option 2, no damping. Question number 20. Increasing which of the following factor would result in increase of free torsional vibration? Option 1 radius of gyration, option 2 mass moment of inertia, option 3 polar moment of inertia, option 4 length. The correct answer is option 3, polar moment of inertia. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.